Question number 6. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? See here. A certain freezing process requires lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius. Then we have to find after 10 hours what is the room temperature. See here, let the lowered room temperature is 40 degree. Write down. Let the lower room temperature be 40 degrees Celsius. Okay. Then change in temperature. This is the short form of temperature. Per hour is 5 degrees Celsius, that is minus 5 because it is a lowered from 40 degree at the rate of 5 degrees. So it is a 5 degrees Celsius minus 5 degrees Celsius. Change in temperature per hour minus 5 degree Celsius. So change in temperature after 10 hours we have to find. Change in temperature after 10 hours is equal to 5 into 10 minus 5 degrees Celsius into 10 hours. So how much it is? 50 degree Celsius. 50 degree Celsius minus 50 degree Celsius. Now the final room temperature we have to find. See here, first lowered room temperature is 40 degree. Change in temperature per hour is 5 degree they gave. Because why we are writing minus 5 is, it is lowered at the rate of 5 degrees. So it is minus 6. Minus 5 degrees Celsius. Change in temperature after 10 hours means we have to multiply it by 10. We will get minus 50 degrees Celsius. Now what to find? What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? So, therefore final room temperature after 10 hours of freezing process. After 10 hours of freezing process is equal to 40 degree plus of minus 50 degrees Celsius. Now 40 degrees Celsius minus 50 degrees Celsius gives minus 10 degree Celsius. Okay. See here what we did here. First we written the lower temperature, then change in temperature, then after 10 hours we found, then final room temperature. We have to add it 40 degrees Celsius plus of minus 50 degrees Celsius. 40 minus 50 is minus 10. So final temperature is 10 degree Celsius. Okay. Okay, question number 7. In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer and 0 for questions not attempted. In that we have to find the first one. 3 questions are there. First one is Mohan gets 4 correct answers and 6 incorrect answers. Now we have to find his score. Here First you see how many marks are awarded for every correct answers. Marks awarded for one correct answer is how many marks? 5 marks. Now Mohan written how many correct answers? Mohan written 4 correct answers. So marks awarded for 4 correct answers is 5 into 4. How many marks? 20 marks he got. And 6 incorrect answers he written. So marks awarded for 1 incorrect answer is minus 2 marks. Marks awarded for 1 incorrect answer is minus 2. So marks awarded for how many incorrect answers he written? 6. 6 incorrect answers is equal to 6 into minus 2 minus 12. See here, marks awarded for 4 correct answer is 20. Marks awarded for 6 incorrect answer is minus 12 here. So what is his score? How to find the score? Total marks scored by Mohan is, therefore total marks scored by Mohan is equal to 20 minus 12, 8 marks. 8 marks he scored. Right? Question number 7 only. Second one. Reshma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is her score? Here also marks awarded for 1 correct answer is 5 marks awarded for 1 incorrect answer is minus 2. Now, how much she written correct answers? 5 correct and 5 wrong answers. So, what we should do is, marks obtained for 5 correct answers we have to find. Marks obtained for 5 correct answers is 5 into 5, 25 marks. Then marks obtained for 5 incorrect answers is 5 into minus 2, it is minus 10. Therefore, marks scored by Reshma is equal to marks scored by Reshma is equal to 25 minus 10, 15 marks she got. She got 15 marks, right? One more question is there in this only. Third one. Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers out of 7 questions she attempts. What is her score? Okay, here marks are awarded for one correct answer is 5, incorrect answer is -7. Now Hina gets 2 correct answers. Therefore, marks obtained for 2 correct answers is 2 into 5, 10 marks. Then marks obtained for 5 incorrect answers. Marks obtained for 5 incorrect answers is 5 into -2. So -10. Therefore, Hina's score is equal to 10 minus 10. So it is 0. She scored nothing. 0 is her marks. Okay. You write in the classwork. And what homework I gave, write in the classwork only. Right? Tomorrow we will continue the next question.